Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the display and brightness, and here you have this eye protection mode. This is how the night mode is called on this device. You can switch it here. You can also change its intensity, and you can also set a schedule for it. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, or you can just add your custom schedule here. You can also switch eye comfort mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.